Michelle Prosser, and I want to ask you just one question. Raise your hand if you've been diagnosed with cancer, your family member or loved one has been diagnosed with cancer, your friend or your colleague, or just some stranger that you know on the street that you care about has been diagnosed with cancer. Well, that is a part of my journey. When my daughter and my husband were diagnosed with cancer, I had no idea where to go. I had no idea where to ask or who even to look for. And when I went to Google and other oncology or cancer websites, the information wasn't helpful. It wasn't user friendly and it didn't give me next steps to find out what I needed to do. For my journey, my husband was a two-time cancer survivor, and my daughter, it took 9 years to find a solution for her survival. We started her journey at the age of 4. So believe you me, if I could hit an easy button on finding resources and information about cancer diagnosis that is easy to use, that is in readable language, that doesn't hurt your head in trying to figure it out, I would have loved to have that. So since I didn't have that, and I'm a neurotrauma ICU nurse for 30 years, I needed something like that, both as a healthcare professional, but as a mom, as a wife, as a caregiver. And I'm pretty sure my husband could have used that information as a patient. So let me introduce you to the Orchid Healthcare Solutions Cancer Treatment Library. We are the Google of oncology care. We hit the easy button to help you find resources, an exhaustive list of cancer treatment options. We're not here to give you a cure. I don't profess to say that. For me, it took multiple different therapies and remedies to find a cure and for my daughter to survive 9 years until technology caught up to her. So if you find yourself in that place, if you're that healthcare provider that has exhausted your catalog of drug remedies in your hospital facility, if you're that patient who has now been put into hospice because your provider does not have any further ideas, this is for you. We will provide options for you at whatever stage you are in on your cancer journey, whether it's right at the beginning, right at the end, or somewhere in between. We give you dignity and at least the ability to choose what you do next. Sometimes that choice, based on your quality of life, is you choose to do nothing. And that's okay. We will support you through that. Sometimes that is the right answer. But when it's not, we want to know that we have opened the toolbox and are given all the tools that we need to make an informed decision and a decision based on knowledge. So that's what we provide. We give you that easy button to make the next steps and have that conversation with your healthcare professional and physician. So I hope you enjoy our cancer treatment library.